So if you're like me, I've got a little tent here, and the stakes that I have been using are these little metal ones right here, and I absolutely hate those tent stakes. But you see that hole right there? You can have a better tent stake in there. Just something to mount it down, because if a strong wind goes, a lot of times these just pull out and go away. Check out this thing right here. This looks like some kind of mountaineering type of equipment here. You get these little paracord like slider locks, so if you need to add some additional locks to your tent. But then here's the cool thing is, check out that hammer. You have this very high quality hammer here that you hammer the stake down, but you can also pull it up. And then you also have a hook right here for hooking and grabbing them and pulling it up. And you get, you know, 2, 4, so you're going to get 10 of these stakes in here, and look at the quality on these stakes. And if you're wondering what that is, that's a glow in the dark ring, so you don't end up hitting your foot. So let me go ahead and put one of these stakes in here. You can see how on this tent it has just kind of like a standard hole, but even if it didn't, you see that hook there, you could easily put that hook on there. So let me show you. This will go around your wrist so you don't lose the hammer and sling it across. Look at that, everybody. That ain't coming up. And then if I have to get it up, what I would do is reach and grab it with this hook right there, and then pull it straight out. How cool is that? That you actually get a way of hooking that down. So let me go ahead, put one there, one right here. Look at that. That is so solid. And I think that right there is a bottle opener. And there's those extra tie downs. I won't put those on because this tent doesn't need it, but what these are those little tie down guidelines. And then you have this nice, neat package here, and this package feels really solid. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the 10-piece super tent stake. See you guys in the next video. Woo!